Once upon a time, there was a beautiful green jungle full of happy animals. In this jungle lived a kind tortoise named Timmy. Timmy walked slowly, but he was very wise. One day, Timmy met Pete the parrot. Pete could fly high and talk very loudly. Pete loved to show off. He said, "I am the fastest and the best." Pete challenged Timmy to collect jungle fruits. Timmy smiled and agreed. Pete flew quickly, but he made a big mess. The fruits fell everywhere. Timmy moved slowly and carefully. With help from his friends, he collected many fruits. Pete felt sorry. He learned that showing off is not always good. Timmy forgave Pete. They became good friends and shared the fruits. And they learned an important lesson: everyone has unique strengths. Benny the bunny and Freddy the frog. In a bright green jungle, full of flowers and sunshine, lived two happy friends. This is Benny the bunny. Benny was very fast. He loved to hop and run all day. And this is Freddy the frog. Freddy could jump very, very high. One day, Benny said, "I am the best jumper." Freddy laughed and said, "No, I jump higher than you." So they decided to have a jumping challenge. Freddy jumped too high and landed in a bush. Benny ran too fast and felt very dizzy. Then they had an idea. "Let's help each other," they said. Benny used his speed. Freddy used his high jumps. Together, they crossed the stream. They laughed and played together, feeling very proud. Remember, kids, different skills make a great team.